Hey, it's Eran here. In this video, I'm going to give you a live demonstration on what it's like to create an affiliate funnel on an affiliate product that I have personally purchased, I enjoyed, I got value of, and I am making money or trying to make money by sharing about it. Now, this particular product is actually going to be really helpful for you as an affiliate marketer, as a digital marketer, or even as a person. It's actually a really good product that no matter who you are in the world, what you do, you actually may get a lot of value out of it. And this is actually an online course that I've personally purchased myself, and I got so much value out of it, and it was just a great product. Now, I very rarely promote courses, but this course is so applicable to humans in general. It's kind of one of these courses that could really be taught in schools for kids and things like that, and I think it should. This course is called Explainer Academy, and all it does is it teaches you how to be a better explainer. Now, what the heck is an explainer? Well, an explainer is actually everybody. We're all trying to explain something. You could be explaining something to your date that you're meeting, who's a potential romantic partner, and you want to explain to them who you are, what you do, what your values are, and things like that. Because you're obviously trying to build a relationship and potentially find a life partner. Knowing how to explain yourself and articulate yourself is such an important part of life, even in personal relationships. Maybe you are in a networking event and you want to introduce yourself. So you want to say who you are, what you do, who you serve, all that stuff, and build a relationship. The better you are at explaining yourself, the better your interactions are going to be, the better your networking opportunities are going to be, the more money you can make, all that stuff. So this basic skill of being able to explain yourself properly and talk in the same level of who it is you're speaking with, whether it's through a digital format, through a video or a blog post or writing or social media, or it's in person, you still have to know how to explain yourself. So this course, Explainer Academy, is a course that I've done, and it's a great course. It is extremely reasonably priced as well. I don't want to say the price because it's going to be listed below when you go check out my affiliate bridge page, and you'll be able to check it out and sign up for it if you want to learn how to be a better explainer. Now, you can also use a coupon code, which is ERAN15, and it is my coupon code. Now, here's how it worked and how I set up this affiliate funnel. I bought the course myself as a customer. I loved the course. It was great. I went through the whole thing. And then what I did is I also reached out to the owner, actually 2 years after I did the course. And I said, hey, I would love to connect with you on a more personal level. I would love to promote it. I have an audience. Can I please be an affiliate? They said, sure, we'll start up an affiliate program. They did that. They gave me my affiliate link. And I asked, can I please have a coupon code from my audience? They said, yes, great. Then I did a little teaser on my Instagram saying, this is the one course I'm actually going to promote and share because it's a great course. I had somebody respond to me. I actually had 5 people respond to that particular story. One of them actually bought the course right away. From that, I made an affiliate commission, and that affiliate commission at the time was, the course was $199. I gave them 50% discount. I got 20% commission, so I made about $30 from that one affiliate sale. That is an example, a realistic example of setting up an affiliate program and an affiliate marketing from A to Z. A product that I like, signing up for the affiliate program. In my case, I even got a discount code, which is just a perk. I also got an affiliate bridge page set up. I did marketing on social media, and I'm making money. And this video is another example of a way to creating a piece of content around something that you know, something that you love, something that you want to share, something that you're an affiliate, and you can make money from that. So if you want to go check it out, go to eran.link/explainer academy and check it out. And that's about it. Thanks a lot for watching this short live demonstration. So if you want to be a better explainer, go and check out that link, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.